In this video, I'll show you how to use Perplexity AI for fact checking. If you've seen a post online and wondering if it is actually true instead of just guessing, let me show you how you can use Perplexity for it. Let's say you read this claim, which says a human adult is composed of 70 trillion cells. Now, instead of just copy and pasting this claim, you can directly turn it into a question. So you can type in a simple question like this and then hit enter. Perplexity will not only give you yes/no questions, it will provide you a clear answer and most importantly, explain the correct numbers based on scientific resources. If you head over to the sources section, you can see different sources which you can click on them individually and check if they are reputable or not. So by using this simple method, you can use Perplexity for fact checking. Not only this, you can ask the AI to give you the most accurate sources so that you can manually go through the sources and read the articles yourself as well. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe and also make sure to give this video a thumbs up. That's gonna be all for this one. I'll see you in the next video.